earlier. I was here to back up Lady Blaze Lantana here, so I figured I'll just stick around. And, you guys are really wonderful, a lot of you very talented folks. But normally I play guitar, I also play bass. This is a song that I do on my CD. And I never really did it just on bass, but I hope you like it. It's a song by Eden Abez, which he's a philosopher. And anyway, here it goes. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, very far, over land and sea. A little shy, and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved